A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today, 16th of April 2021. Again, we are here with our English online class. So students, we have already completed chapter number 1, the fun they had. So today we are going to discuss the value points, or we can say the key points of the chapter, the fun they had. These key points or the value points must help you to understand the whole story, right? So let us discuss the value points or the key points. Number 1 is that Margie and Tommy, these two were the main characters of the stories. Margie is about 11 aged and Tommy is about 13 age. Write it. So both of them are enjoying the life. So Tommy found an old real book in the attic of his house, means in the storehouse. Next point is that Tommy found a real old book in the attic of his house. And Margie wrote that on his page diary, she wrote that 17th May, she mentioned the date, 17th May 2157, that Tommy found an old real book. He said that Margie's grandfathers, when they were very little boy, and in those olden times, all the stories were printed on the papers. They turned the pages, right? And the words were stood still. These words were now looking as a wrinkle and yellow in color. They did not move on the screen as they do now. Tommy and Margie, both of them have the view that these were all waste things. These were all very wasteful things because after reading that book, these people just throw it out. फेंक देते होंगे शायद. ये ऐसा उन दोनों का सोच था. So they thought that their television screen must have a very big one and they can see many telebooks at a time together. That is more beneficial than the olden one system. Next thing is that Margie hated school. Margie always hates school. The reason behind is that the mechanical teacher gave test after test in geographical sectors and her performance was very bad. That is why she hates school. So this makes her mother very much worried. When she knew that Margie hated school, she called county inspector. It is also very important character in the story. So Margie's mother called county inspector. Next value point is that. So let us discuss the physical appearance of county inspector. It was a round little man, isn't it? And had a red face. He had with a box, tools, dials, wires, everything it is there. And he gave an apple to Margie to impress her, to attract her, isn't it? And he found that Margie was not a poor student. The reason why she hates school is that because mechanical teacher gave one after test, so that is why she become frustrated. She become fed up of it. Then they were discussing about it, the old system of education. Margie hoped that the old system or the earliest days education system is not better than their system. But when Tommy described that the old system is different from us, in those times they had a special buildings. That building is known as school, in which no mechanical teacher is there, but a human being will be there and he used to teach. And at a time, everyone shared together, played together and spent time. They taught the lesson according to their age level. So this kind of education system was there, in which they can share the things, they can play together, they spend it every time. And it was a regular school. Okay, so everyone is very much interested to know about each of us, sharing like this. The teacher told the boys and girls that they used to give homework, classworks and everything. And at the same time, they put up some questions. But in future systems education, they found that a big screen is there in which lot of content is there at a time. After that, some questions will be put up and the students have to give reply on that particular screen also. So this is there that it is in this chapter it is compare the future time school life versus the old system, right? Old system one. So here the Margie said that the difference between future and the old education systems gives a lot of information about it. That is why she compares it. And the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen, and again it puts giving up questions of mathematicals like fractions and those. Margie was thinking that about how the kids must love the school in the old days. She just imagined the olden days the kids loved that the thinking, and she thought that the fun they had enjoyed that Margie and Tommy didn't enjoy it. So this is all about the value points or key points of the chapter number 1, the fun they had. I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you. Thank you so much.